Number 16. GoSun EV Solar Charger. This solar charger promises to allow you to charge your EV anywhere. According to a recent Pew study, fewer individuals in the United States are interested in owning electric vehicles than in 2023, with 29% saying they'd consider getting an EV, an 8% decrease from 2022. However, if the worry of running out of power is holding you back, there is good news. Solar product firm GoSun is currently accepting pre-orders for an EV solar charger that travels with the car. According to GoSun, the charger provides 1,200 watts of solar electricity, weighs 70 pounds, and can be installed on a vehicle's roof rack. The company's video shows a driver unfolding the charger's panels over the automobile and inserting them into the vehicle's charging connection. It comes with a lock to prevent theft. Number 15. Solar Umba 400. The Central Texas firm, which specializes in residential and commercial solar panel installation, developed a brand new product for a buzzy activation, a 7-foot-wide solar-powered electric industrial vacuum meant to clean city streets. The Solar Umba 4000 is a humorous piece of street marketing, despite its dubious link to the company's primary industry. And, evidently, the thing works. With 2,450.25 square inches of solar panels, it is fueled by the sun's pollution-free energy and generates 600 watts of trash-crushing cleaning power. According to the agency, during a recent pre-launch test, the vacuum successfully collected up paper, plastic water bottles, metal debris, and what we believe to be the carcass of a deceased squirrel. The heaviest object it scooped up weighed over 10 pounds. Number 14. SkyDeck. SkyDeck set out to completely transform your air travel and can be used on all types of aircraft, from commercial airliners to jets. The main purpose of SkyDeck is to add a seat section at the top of the aircraft to completely change the passenger's travel pleasure in the tail section of the aircraft and allow passengers to monitor the surroundings throughout the entire journey. SkyDeck was designed as a transparent capsule, and an elevator was installed on the plane for passengers to get up there. Would you travel by plane like this? Number 13. Varjo Teleport. Varjo Teleport enables you to effortlessly record any environment with your iPhone and navigate in PC VR using stunning visuals. Varjo Teleport is enabled by Gaussian bouncing, a relatively recent neural approach for displaying 3D volumes that represents the scene as a series of overlapping 3D Gaussian functions. Varjo Teleport scans can now only be seen on a PC, with any PC-enabled headset, but the business says that in the future, the viewer will be able to function with standalone VR headsets as well. Number 12. 4 FOLD containers. Imagine the possibilities. Collapsible shipping containers are designed to save up room on ships, ports, railroads, and vehicles. Saving space on ships, roads, terminals, and warehouses may save costs and CO emissions by up to 37%. If a container must be carried empty, it folds swiftly, safely, and simply to a fourth of its volume, saving businesses money and takes only 10 minutes to fold. 4 folded containers form an integrated bundle that travels as a single container. Number 11. Air Shield. Meet this lady, a Swiss track and field athlete with exceptional sprinting abilities. As a 2-time European champion in the 200 meters, she is an expert in her field. This woman was a tester for Air Shield, a workout-enhancing shield. Air Shield reduces air resistance, resulting in faster running speeds. The body will eventually adjust to these new possibilities. Even without Air Shield, the effects will be stunning. Kongji commented that this form of training is enjoyable. Number 10. Jet Capsule. The designers of jet capsules think they have achieved significant advancements in water transportation, surpassing competitors. The 7.85-meter-long jet capsule can accommodate up to 13 passengers and travel at speeds of around 65 kilometers per hour. The base model has a single gasoline engine and can drive up to 204 kilometers with full tanks, 230-liter total capacity. You may install a second engine. You may personalize the layout of a water taxi to make it a luxury boat or vessel for lounging on the water. The jet capsule costs over $250,000. Number 9. Aescape. Massage providers beware. Client-stealing robots are getting increasingly effective. After 7 years of work, the Aescape has been released. This robot's coordinated arms provide the advantages of an hour-long massage in 30 minutes. Session fees start at $60. You may alter all settings, including music and pressure force, from your smartphone. The robot employs AI sensors to study the client's body and adapt to their emotions. Aescape may be erected in spaces as tiny as 3 by 2.4 meters, which is one of its main advantages. Number 8. The Atacama. While arsenic in water is safe to drink, prolonged usage can lead to cancer. People living near the contaminated river prefer bottled water due to a lack of filtration systems to remove arsenic. Fortunately, Magnetite can remedy this situation. It works as an absorbent, absorbing and trapping arsenic particles. To remove dangerous semi-metals from water, simply add a magnet to collect the magnetite. Filtration is unnecessary. Number 7. T-Mobile Sidekicks. Imagine having a smartphone in a shoe. It's unbeatable. T-Mobile repurposed their smartphone to build a shoe suitable for making calls in meetings. T-Mobile's CEO provided the voice for the smart assistant, which is well suited for selfie cameras. The colorful sneakers in the video are available for $65 a pair. Number 6. Kawasaki hydrogen engine motorcycle. On July 20th, the world witnessed another remarkable innovation. Kawasaki, a well-known motorcycle manufacturer, introduced their first model with a hydrogen internal combustion engine. The prototype proved capable of competing with gasoline-powered cars on the Suzuka circuit. However, this hydrogen motorbike is slightly larger in size. The chassis needed to be enlarged and broadened to fit the 998 cubic centimeter engine with direct hydrogen fuel injection into the cylinders. There are numerous significant tanks. Number 5. Alakai Technology Sky. The Sky is a passenger hybrid electric VTOL multi-copter design idea. The aircraft may be flown manually, remotely, or totally autonomously. If manually piloted, the aircraft can accommodate 1 pilot, 4 passengers, plus their luggage. If remotely or autonomously operated, the aircraft may accommodate 5 people and their belongings. The multicopter features big windows that provide superb views for the pilot and passengers. The multicopter aircraft includes 6 propellers, 6 electric motors, and a hybrid electric power source based on hydrogen fuel cells. The plane can refuel in roughly 10 minutes, according to the manufacturer. The aircraft's cruising speed is estimated to be 185 km per hour, with a range of 241 kilometers and a maximum flying time of 4 hours. The aircraft's cruising speed is estimated to be 185 kilometers per hour, with a range of 241 kilometers and a maximum flying time of 4 hours. The predicted maximum payload is 454 kilograms. The byproducts of hydrogen fuel are heat and water, and a fuel cell is far more efficient than a combustion engine. As a result, the airplane produces no pollutants. The aircraft features a fixed skid landing gear. Number 4. Solar water solutions. Solar energy is becoming an important source for drinking water. This is especially relevant in areas with limited access to fresh water. Solar water solutions are developed for these places and operate mostly off-grid, generating their own power. Simply install up solar panels on a beach. The desalination units are tiny, fitting inside a single container and requiring minimal room. The solar water solution designers are happy to have helped hospitals in southern Madagascar and farms in Antigua and Barbuda, a small Caribbean country. Number 3. Morphing Wheel. The designer of this morphing wheel drew inspiration from liquid droplets. The team settled on the ideal flexible framework and began implementing it. The wheel consists of an elastic honeycomb with wire spokes connecting it to a central hub. As the spoke length changes, the honeycomb adjusts to expand or compress proportionately. When driving on a level surface, the wheel becomes circular. When driving off-road, the vehicle adjusts to the shape of objects encountered. A wheelchair with shape-shifting wheels was tested and shown to be capable of overcoming barriers roughly 1.5 times its radius. Number 2. AFP Machine. This gigantic spherical machine is known as the world's largest space rocket builder. The machine, made by Electro Impact in Washington and shipped to Middle River, Maryland, can weigh up to 99 tons and stands 12 meters tall. The massive composite sections for the Neutron rocket have passed final testing and are now ready for production. This contains interstage panels of up to 28 meters for the first stage and 5 meters for the second stage. The equipment can lay composite fibers at rates of up to 100 meters per minute. It has a real-time automated quality inspection system that identifies and informs operators to even minor problems. Using an AFP machine will reduce rocket building time by nearly 150,000 hours. Number 1. Sceye Haps. High-altitude pseudo-satellites are airships, balloons, or fixed-wing drones that provide temporary connection from the stratosphere above commercial aircraft and rough weather. Sceye is an airship that flies at 65,000 feet and is fueled by solar energy collected by the airship's solar cape, covering the platform, which is built of copper indium gallium selenide cells and gallium arsenide cells. The Sceye Haps has been suggested not just to give connection to rural towns and underserved areas, but also to include onboard sensors capable of tracking greenhouse gases in real time and providing high-resolution Earth observation.